All on board. What should I do?
Ah, ich weiß.
Get Germanized.
Hallo und willkommen. Ich bin Meister Lenze and you're watching Get Germanized. Don't waste your summer. Do something with it. You have all the time in the world now. Use it. Summer looks a little bit different this year, as we all know, so do something different to match. Learn a language this summer and speak confidently by autumn. So similar to a beach body that you build in winter, some people do, I never managed, and then you have a summer body. You can have a autumn brain. Well, you can speak a new language this fall if you apply yourself in summer. How, you ask? Well, it's pretty easy. Become a true sprint champion and get up to 100% cash back. And also, you'll get free access to the Cambridge online speaking test. Depending on which sprint you choose, you get either 50 or 100% cash back if you attend all your classes. It's really that simple. If you want to skip ahead and start learning now, improve your life by autumn, then click on the link in the video description right now and use this voucher code for 10 euros off of your deposit. More than 30,000 people have attended previous Lingoda language challenges and have shared their positive feedback with me. So it's been tested, you guys liked it, now it's time for you to attend. Many have told me that by learning a new language, you have overcome your fear of speaking in front of native speakers. For example, girlfriends, boyfriends, all of that. I know how hard it is sometimes to speak in front of them if you learn a new language. Lingoda has helped them to overcome this, has given them new opportunities in their job to get a promotion because speaking more languages is never a bad thing. I've worked with Lingoda for many years now. I trust them. I trust them because you guys give me good feedback about, well, what they do, and also I've attended language courses myself. If that wasn't the case, if I didn't believe in them, in Lingoda and their products, then I wouldn't show you this. I hope you know this. I make sponsored videos every now and then, but only with things and products that I think you would like. And there's many reasons why people love Lingoda. They have qualified native speaking teachers that apply themselves to get you the best result possible. You can learn with them pretty much any time of the day, 24/7. Before your lunch break, or during your lunch break is probably better. After hours, after work, that includes after hours, I guess. So anytime really. With Lingoda you have more time to actually speak the language while attending these online group classes because they consist out of mostly up to 3 people. My class had 3 people if I remember correctly, and I had to speak constantly, which of course was a bit anxiety inducing at first, but it really helped me and I was really thankful to my teacher by the end of it all as well. So yeah, it's great. And of course, goes without saying, I guess, they have provided me and you, they will provide you as well, with learning materials that you can download beforehand. You can look through the lessons and see like, oh, this is good. Oh yeah, okay, I prepared this already so that I don't have anxiety during the lesson and all of that kind of stuff you can do. And of course, to revise after as well. So if you're hooked now, if you want to attend, let me tell you a little bit more about the sprint itself. It starts on July 1st, 2020. First of all, there is the super sprint. This is where you can get 100% cash back. For the super sprint, you will basically have to attend 30 classes per month for 3 months. If you do that, if you attend all your classes that are required, you get 100% of your money back. Then there is the sprint. This is where you get 50% of your money back if you attend all your required classes, meaning this is also only half the classes you have to attend. So 15 classes per month for also 3 months. You can attend either sprint version in English, German, business English, French, or Spanish, but German. And it also does not matter which language level you are at. With Lingoda, you will find a class for every level. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner, intermediate learner, or expert. So how do you sign up? How do you attend the sprint? Well, you do have to sign up before June 15th. Also, you have to pay a 49 euro deposit to secure your spot in the sprint. Don't worry, Lingoda will refund your tuition fee, including the deposit, if you attend all your required courses and of course, if you keep the sprint rules in mind, which you can also find on their page, linked down below. Also, please keep in mind, places are limited. If you really want to improve your life, if you want to learn a new language this summer and then speak amazingly by autumn, or at least better than you did before, then apply now, click on the link in the video description and do it. Just do it. Lingoda challenges have been running for over two years, and their concept is proven by thousands of students all over the world. Check out their Instagram page, Lingoda Official, for inspiring stories by people who have already attended the challenges and who have improved their lives with them. Also, don't forget to use the voucher code with the link in the video description. Very important. Use that link and this voucher code to get 10 euros off of your initial deposit. So I hope I got you interested in this because, of course, it helps me when I make these kind of videos, the channel in general, but I always want to help you with this as well. So if you like this, please let me know in the comments below. And if you really enjoy it, let Lingoda know about Get Germanized and that I let you to them as well. You can do that by sending them feedback if you want. If not, that's fine as well. Apart from that, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to get Germanized. Goodbye and auf Wiedersehen.